what SIT has unearthed so far. So on the 14th of September, information was received by Rinja police station from the father of the girl that she had gone missing, and they had found that she had gone missing at about 8 a.m. in the morning. It was also found that from the family members and the uncle that the girl child was last seen playing in the compound at about 7:30 a.m. within the premises of a house. And when they realized that she had gone missing, all neighbors and locality members, inhabitants of the locality had been alerted, and they began searching. The police immediately rushed to the area, and intensive search was being conducted along with the VDP and dog squad. On the 14th, I think because of heavy rains and all that, though extensive search was done, the girl child could not be found. It was only on the 15th, the next day at about 8 p.m. that information was received from the father that the child's body had been discovered by a labourer of a construction site, which is about 100 meters from the residence of the girl child. And immediately DSP Crime Against Women, OC Rinja, had rushed to the place. They had cordoned off the area, and inquest was conducted with the help of the forensic team from FSL Shillong. The body was taken to Negrams, where post-mortem examination was conducted, and the body was handed on the 15th only. After the post-mortem was conducted, the family members, in particular the father of the child, had filed a complaint. We had registered a case in Rinja police station pertaining to murder. Then a special investigation team was set up, headed by SP City, Additional SP Ops, DSP Crime Against Women, DSP City, OC Rinja, and one WPSI from Nongmansong. Now, after SIT examined, this has been the third day from the time we had found or recovered the body. Looking at and investigating in these 3 days and examining many witnesses and looking at all the available evidence which we have actually gathered, we zeroed down on a 13-year-old boy who is a neighbor of the child girl, and who's also a frequent visitor of the house. He was produced before the Child Welfare Committee and examined thoroughly, where he had admitted that on that particular day he had taken that girl child over the wall and taken her through the beaten path, which I think most of you all have seen, and gone to that construction site. According to him, since his feet was drenched with mud, he washed his feet in that there's a cavity or a hollow between the wall and the building and the retaining wall, and that day the water was full. According to him, he had slipped and the girl was close to him. He had pulled the girl along, dragged her while slipping, for which he has injury marks on his feet, and the girl drowned. Out of panic and out of confusion, he placed a stone on the body of the girl child and went home straight. After some time, he came along with his mother to the girl's house, and he found all the relatives of and the parents of the girl child looking for her. While SIT examined him yesterday, it is a fact, and according to him, that he had actually just concocted the black Scorpio without number plate and black men and the masked men, as he had panicked and wanted a distraction. The postmortem report was received today. The postmortem report says death due to drowning. There is no antemortem injuries. There is no sexual assault, and the death was 24 to 36 hours from the time postmortem was done. So that indicates that the death happened in that place, not in any other place. And he was sent to the juvenile home yesterday for observation. Today, thorough medical examination and several medical tests has been done on this boy. He has been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. And SIT is in the third day of the investigation. We are yet to investigate further on the claims of this child, of whether it was accidental or otherwise. So this is all what I can say till this juncture.
So did the juvenile ever confess to his mother? Did the mother ever know about what had exactly happened or come forward?
No. The child never disclosed this fact to anybody. In fact, the distraction of the black Scorpio and masked men just to distract everybody. He had kept this away from everybody. And in fact, he was with the search party also.
So if we can create a story of vehicle finding, you can create this story also, that slipped and that girl died.
See, like I said, it's just the third day, and SIT has got 90 days to investigate this case. Right now, what we have proven is that it is the boy who has taken the girl to the site. It is also proven that there is no robbery because her gold earrings are intact. It is also proven there is no sexual assault. It is also proven that there is no body injury. So this is a postmortem report says it is a case of drowning. Now we need to find out further whether this boy had a motive. We need to find out further whether it is anything other than accidental.
Sir, you mentioned that the death occurred in the same place where the body was found.
Yes.
But from relatives, they have mentioned that since the girl went missing, they have even searched in that place.
I don't think so. That is a fact, because we have actually asked people whether they have visited that place and all that, and nobody has visited that place. One thing is also we have in fact asked the police party, why have you missed out that place? It's because that place was covered. It had a lot of cement sediments, and when the body actually had submerged out there, the sediments had covered the body. If you had seen the body, you cannot make out unless you really go close by. It was only that this laborer who found out, but nobody actually had gone there to see the child actually, or to see that place whether it was with or without the body. So it's actually, it is all in all likelihood that the child died there only.
Is it not normal that two of them, when something happened to her, is it not normal that he should inform somebody?
Exactly. In fact, a natural thing of a sequence of events would have been, in case she drowned, he would have actually told, but he didn't inform. That's why it merits that it was that we have to apprehend him and produce him before the Juvenile Justice Board, because this merits more investigation. Yes, we have proven the fact that it is this boy who's involved in this whole affair of bringing the child out there. His claim is accidental, that she died because of drowning, and he panicked. But that merits more investigation.
During your interrogation, what is the state of mind of the child? How do you see him? Is he abnormal, or is it?
See, this child, he's though he is he's perhaps street smart kind of child, but has academically has not actually progressed well. Sit along with the Child Welfare Committee will have to delve more into the antecedents of this child, whether there's any dysfunctionality. All that will, along with the Child Welfare Committee, we will be able to unearth more information.
Is he the neighbor of the?
Yes, very much neighbor. I think he stays about 50 meters from the victim's house.
So,
So where did he hit the body after the accident?
Sorry?
Where did he hit the body after the accident happened?
No, it was there only. He had kept the body there only. Same place only.
during your interrogation, what was the motive of the 13-year-old boy who to take the girl out of her compound of the house?
According to the boy, he has said that he always visits that house. According to the boy, he says that he has always, he's very familiar with the children of that house. And according to him, he went for a stroll. But that needs to be, now we need to corroborate all that, and needs to be confirmed whether there is motive or not.
So, is it the first time that the boy take the 4-year-old girl, or is it frequent?
According to him, he's taken